Well, you've just finished your first day of online learning at Bowling Green State University. Now, I know this is not what you expected for the remainder of this term, and I'm sure there were challenges today that you learned to overcome. There may be some technology or communication issues, points of clarification that you've asked your professor. I just want to tell you, we are here to make sure we are supporting you to complete this term in a successful way. All of us here at this university, our faculty and our staff, are focused on you, the students of Bowling Green State University. Hang in there, fight through this, learn. It's amazing what you will accomplish by the end of this term. Zumba.